Want me to take you to find the person?
No, I just saw her drive off.
You sang really nice.
Oh, thank you.
Going our way?
Thank you. We're just cruising now.
Do you know where you're going?
Cruising
Or you just
on a Sunday afternoon. That is a song, you know. Ooh. Let's go
Whoa.
this way. Miniature golf, 9 holes. And Mickey beat me by 1 stroke because he got 2 holes in one.
Another vehicle
Oh
coming
boy.
up.
Chicken. You're heading back. She's waiting to take over your vehicle.
Oh, they're waiting?
Yes, they are. You're only from 10 to 11.
This is the pirate's cabin. And that's number, I think, 14 or 15. And then this is my cabin, the Red Sox. And that's cabin 18.
Thank you, Barry. All right, see you in a little bit. Get your own self in there. This is the official landmark where we met. Only, what was it now? 24, 30 hours ago? This is the row of houses for more like the families. And then you have your seesaws and your merry-go-rounds and all your playground equipment. You're crazy. Kitty, you need a ride? It's Kitty.
This is Brian. He's doing a virtual video.
Okay.
Campfire family.
Hey, Roxanne, you need a ride?
Thanks for the
Okay.
photos yesterday. That was
They
so
were
much
awesome.
fun.
Oh, cool.
How much playing have you done? This is a campground of playing music. Into the grass like this.
Whoa.
I got the memo. Do you know Rick Creekcraft?
No.
He plays a lot of good instruments.
That's his car.
Morning.
So let's go in and see the car.
Hey Sherry, this is Brian. He's doing a virtual video.
Where's your passenger?
You are the passenger. You're the virtual passenger. Butch Cassidy, the Sundance Kid. Oh, here comes Amy. Amy and Amy. Excited to get these guys around.
Warm when you watch.
That's true.
Cold
This
when
is
you
Brian. He's doing a virtual video. Cool.
What do we have
There's
here?
the circle. This is the folk folly circle where they do some singing. Look, we're escaping. Oh, look, they have bonfires up here. Yes. The answer is blowing in the wind. So you can sing harmony. Ready? Turn that off.
Linda drives as well.
always
Camp in a golf cart, and children like to drive golf carts. They're only 4 years old, but they're learning how to drive here, golf carts.